Hello guys, today in this video I like to show you how we can create a route in Laravel. Basically in Laravel, routing define the routes that determine how the HTTP request should be handled. For that basically we'll go to route folder, and here we'll have we'll use the two files for routing, that is api.php and web.php. We use api.php for the API route, and we use web.php for the web route. And today in this video we'll only focus on web.php. Here at the default we have we'll get one route here, that is returning the view welcome page welcome. So for that, first we'll run the program. Okay, now this is our Laravel default page that we are getting from this route. And what if we want to change the route path? For that we have to first create one file inside the resource folder, and we'll get one here view folder. Okay, we are getting this page from this welcome.blade.php. The blade are the template that render the HTML content in Laravel. Now here we'll create one new file, that is, let's say, about.blade.php. Okay, now we want to direct our URL to about page. So what we need to do for that, let's go here and we'll create one route again. Okay, uh, route slash colon get and slash. This slash is the root of the application or the home page that we determined, and we'll create one anonymous function here. Okay, not here. Okay, now we'll return about page from here. Okay, now we'll just type return view about. Now we'll see the changes here. Okay, nothing, we get nothing here because in about.blade.php we have nothing here. We'll just write here hello Hancie. Now we'll get this text hello Hancie here in this page. Now what if we want to show the default welcome page in the main root of the application, and we want to give this about as a new URL path? For that we'll just create one more route here, route slash get, and here we'll just write about. This is the name of the path that we are defining, and we'll just write a function, and inside here we'll just return view about. Okay, here we need to do one more, and here for this we are showing previous page welcome page. At the first we are just showing the welcome page, and when we'll just click here slash about, then we are going to about page. In this way we define the route in Laravel, and this is the approach that we have defined using the anonymous function, creating an anonymous function. And another way we can define the route by just using the controller. That is the one more efficient way to define the route, because in controller we just keep a lot of logic of the application. So for that we just create one controller before PHP artisan make controller route controller. Oh, CV name. Okay, now we have successfully created the route controller, and that file will get here in app. Inside app we'll just go to http, and inside http controller, and in controller we have here route controller. Here we will define one public function. Public function, we just name the name of the function like services. Okay, now here we'll return view service. Okay, we'll just return the view service from the view page. For that we have not created the view service page. in view, so we'll create one service dot blade dot PSP. Okay, now here we'll define h1 my service. Okay, now we have to call that route controller here in the above. Here we'll uh, use app slash, we are just giving the path of the controller. Okay, here at the first we are just defining app http controller and the name of the controller. Okay, app http controllers and the name of the controller is route controller. Okay, that's it. Now to call that service space, another way to define the route is just we are using the get method for everything. There are many methods like put, delete, patch, etc. I'll just show you that in the next video. Route get, and I'm just defining the URL for this service. Okay, now we will use here inside this bracket controller name. Controller name is route controller. Okay, class, and we'll just use here the name of the function, that is services. Okay, that's it. Now when we go here, it's giving us the about page. Now when we'll go here services, I think it's not services, service maybe. Okay, my service. Here we are getting my service, and this is the way that we, for this we use the controller to define the route, and here we use the anonymous function to define the route. Okay, for today this much only. I hope you like this video. Thank you.